Check, check, check. All right, let's see what happens. All right, let's try that. Back on the charts. I'm gonna share this YouTube stream. Yeah, if you don't mind, share this, yo. We're about to go to the charts here in just a sec. All right. Boom. All right, let's go to these charts. Let's see what happened. Let's go here first. Yesterday we was talking about this 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we were talking about, man, we think it may retrace back to a significant level, which is here. Green arrow up from Tuesday. And look what happened. Boom, straight to the midpoint. So we could see it retrace back up from here. It could happen. Got a new all-time high. Let's mark that up. Let's get rid of that guy. Don't need him no more. What's up? Buenos dias. I see you on YouTube. Mario, ¿qué pasó, man? Jumping on the charts, brother. All right, so yesterday or overnight, we fail, we fall. We hit this level right here. If we break below this level, because, you know, price is going to do what price wants to do. This could be support. Could be. If we break below, I'm going to look for that thing to go this way, and then continue down. That don't even make sense. Let's try it with... Where's that one guy? It's called a path. There he is. All right. Break below this. Want to see it come back up and continue down. Something like that. Now, does that have to happen? Nope. But it is look like it's finding some support here. So we'll take it one candle at a time. One trade at a time. Grab you a cup of coffee or a cup of hot tea. I call it my hot drink. It was too hot earlier. All right, what else? We already broke beneath this beautiful trend line. I like to go to the 30-minute timeline. 30-minute timeline. No, 30-minute time frame. Looking at this beautiful fan. Look at that. Just pick this April 30th low. Why? Because that's where we kind of started this month. May 1st, right? April 30th, May 1st. And we see this push up. Touched it once, twice, right? 3 times. And then this time, 4th time, falls through. I want to see if this thing wants to continue to TP 3. So I'm going to put a beautiful arrow. 8:26 on the clock. So if we break beneath this first line, we're just going to see it go consecutive, right? 1 here and then again. These fans have worked out before, but also this kind of sometimes works as like a little caterpillar crawl, right? A caterpillar crawl. You'll hit this first one, and it'll just kind of boom, 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 and then you may see it fall. We'll see. We'll see. What else? The bands. Welcome to the Bullseye Bands, people. First thing I want to do is look at 4-hour time frame. Looks like we found some support right here on this pivot point. All right, let's go to 4 hour. I want to see where these 4-hour pivots are lining up. All right, turn off all these. There we go. Clean chart. What's today, Friday? You know what? Let's see. There's Monday. Tuesday low. Maybe we go tap Tuesday low. I'm just gonna put it there. Boom. We'll see if we can get done. 4-hour pivots. Let's go. 8:27 on the clock. Waiting for that bell. There is 4-hour pivot point. Kind of close to the Tuesday low, right? And we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, going back to 5-minute time frame. Looks like prices are pushing up a little bit. Look like prices pushing up. We hit support 3. We can come up here and hit S2, S1. Yeah, those are interesting. What else? Take me to that map. Oh, beautiful map. What a beautiful map. I mean, the map gave us some insight. Look how it respected the arc. Drop down to this diagonal line. Golden arc shoots up. Back into the arc. Above the arc, down. So we could come down. We could see this thing come retrace this diagonal line again, maybe. Or up to the arc, kind of get into this little triangle squeeze. So that's interesting. I'll put a GAN line alert right here. Say now, what am I on? Oh, here we go. GAN line for the beautiful GAN map. Call it the Bullseye map. Let's go. GL. All right. 8:29. Y'all ready to rock and roll? Go back down to a lower time frame. Boom. Price is shooting up. Look at that. Pre-market. We're going to turn on the Bullseye Bandit for that 1 minute and 15-minute breakout. We'll see what happens. One trade at a time, one candle at a time. All right. Then looking at our beautiful clouds. Here comes that bell. Y'all ready? Here comes that bell. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, dong. Let's go. Pushing up out of this 4-hour channel. There's also a weekly wick fill here. 15-minute trend cloud below. 15-minute trend cloud. Still green. We could run up and touch it. Friday, man. It's Friday, right? I believe it's Friday. Let's open up these charts. Boom. Let's go. We shall see. Let's see that 1 minute candle. Got about 8 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3. 50-point range on the first candle. Very, very peculiar place. Very peculiar place. Anything can happen. What was that? One candle at a time. Breaking below that 1 minute. Let's see what happens. I'm waiting for a candle to close. Don't be impulsive and click sell so fast, man. Relax. It's gonna be a good day. Why I keep doing that? Get off of this pen. I don't know. We could anticipate price coming to take out overnight low and find support there. We'll see. Looks like you may be getting a signal to sell. I mean, you could try it. You could try it if you like. If we get it. 5 seconds left. Buyers looking like they stepping in pretty aggressive. Yeah, into the no trade zone we go. Balance area, whatever you want to call it. We are sitting below previous day VWAP, below session VWAP, below weekly VWAP. Looks like the trend may want to flip. Stay calm, stay focused, and let price print. Brought to you by your good old pal TMT, the trading motivator timer. Free in the trading view indicator list. Very peculiar plays. Buenos dias, everyone who's watching on YouTube. What's up, guys? Everyone who is watching on Zoom, buenos dias. Well, another week has gone by. Another green week. Green is a good thing. Red is a great thing. We have a saying here around this trading cave. Green is a good day. Red is a grow day. I don't know. I just have this funny feeling. We click a sell button and it just goes straight up. What do y'all think? Talk to me, Zoom. Here comes our first 1 minute breakout. Let's see. 10 seconds to go. It's really not much you got to decide. You just got to do it. All right, we're in it. We're in a sell. Let's see how far this thing wants to go. We're selling right here. 1 minute bandit breakout. I'm looking for a TP3 on this thing. That 1 minute is a little aggressive. The 1 minute is a little aggressive. I would say 40 points is great, actually. We'll see if we can get there. Overnight low would be great too as well. Is there any news today? Don't know. Don't know. Well, let's see what happens. Stop loss is the 830 high. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see what happens. Anything can happen. Risk proper, and you'll be okay. Look at, did I say something like this? Did we say something like that was gonna happen? We're gonna click sell and watch this thing go straight up. Well, that's all right. We're just gonna risk little. Risk small, guys. What is it? Looks like a 50-point stop loss, maybe a little more. 70-point stop loss. Anything can happen, that's right. I see you, chat. What's up, chat? Chat in the building. All right, YouTube, let me know where you're watching from. If you're catching some of these moves, Nasdaq is gonna move. That's all I know. It's gonna move one direction or the other. Whether it goes this way or that way, it's all good. Risk little. 15 seconds left till this candle prints. Let's see. First 5 minute candle prints. Looks like we could get a rejection here off this bottom of the no trade zone. Let's see. That's a color change. I'll add. I'm into. Stop loss is still 830 high. Now there's, I don't know. I was about to say 50% chance this thing could go opposite our direction, but I don't know. I mean, I'd be guessing. Nobody knows. All I know is I don't know. Just know what I'm gonna risk. What's happening? Infinite Capital Group. Oscar saying, caught me some sales during the pre-market and done for the day. Congratulations, man. Shout out to Mr. Oscar. Great trading day, yeah? Yeah, if you took a sell pre-market, man, that's all you got to do. Click sell and hold sell. Let's see, what's the protection line going to be? I mean, there is a pivot point sitting right here. Maybe we can find support here. Maybe. 29056 on TradingView. Let's turn on these consolidation zones. Yeah, we're in a consolidation zone at the moment. Price is going to go up. Price is going to go down. Price is going to go sideways. Beautiful sell pressure at the moment. 837 candle, giving us a little bit of that sell pressure. Wow, 33-point move right here on this 837 candle. 34 points. Protection line could also be the midpoint of this 4-hour channel, which is right there. So I'm going to take one off right here. Boom! And then we will protect. Break even on the sales. Come on. How low does it want to go? There's pivot point touch. Let's see. I'm gonna let this one run. I'm gonna let it run. How far does it want to go? If we make it down to the bottom of this 4-hour channel, man, that's gonna be great. That's gonna be 29,000. Big number, 29,000. Bank zone number 29,000, which is 50 points away. As we make our way descent to the buy side of these deviation bands, session deviations, session VWAP. Here comes the overnight low. Let's see if we can grab that pre-market low, 730 low maybe, 737 low. Hold sell. Let's see what happens. Now we are at the midpoint of this green. Let's see, this green range here. We found support there, 730 area right there. We could bounce off of this. I want to see a 5-minute candle close below this pivot point. Right. We got 30 seconds to go. Let's see. Nah, but it's been a great week. If you caught some of these moves. Yesterday, we streamed live on Facebook and YouTube. I'm going to try to do that more often. Yeah, here comes a beautiful bounce up. Let's see. 10 seconds to go. Looking for a spike down. Beautiful sign of weakness here right at the last little second. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 5-minute candle fails to close beneath this pivot point. Who knows? Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. 8:40. 5 minutes till the 15-minute range prints. Let's see what happens. Holding the sell. Hopefully able to take some profit off the table, as this particular entry of the 1-minute bandit gave us 60 points. I'm flat. I'm knocked out in profit. That's what we were kind of anticipating there at the midpoint of this thing, where we found support. 730. Price is shooting straight up. Look at that. 61-point candle. I am enticed, but I will chill. Super enticed to click the buy button. 76 points on this one candle. See if we get a little pullback. If we get a little pullback off of New York VWAP, this may be interesting. Still peculiar. You know why? Because we're below all the other signs that tell us to sell. Weekly VWAP, session VWAP, and you know what I'm missing? Oh man, where are my yearly VWAPs at? Did I get rid of them? No, dude. Let's put that back on there, bro. Let's do it, man. Look at that. Sellers come in and try to reclaim half of that candle. That's awesome. All right, we're going to put the anchored VWAP on the beginning of January 2026. Let's go. We'll call it yearly. Boom. There it is. Let's see what happens. Yeah, sellers are answering pretty aggressively. Let's open up this chart. Let's get these yearly VWAPs. Let's give them a look, shall we? Yeah, we're still above the yearly VWAP. So, I mean, overall, we're still trending bullish at the moment. Looks like a little retracement. Let's look at this chart here. 1 minute chart. Yeah, that was enticement, man, to click buy for real, for real. And you know what? You still probably could. There's a little pullback. I'm anticipating this thing coming to touch the yearly VWAP, man. Down here, 28,750. I'm calling it 28,750, close to the 4-hour pivot point. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I ran out of pivot points. Look at this, man. Sellers coming back in pretty aggressive, overtaking that entire bull candle almost. Look at that. Look at this slinger. Ooh. Now, if we hold support and we break back above New York VWAP, I am enticed to click buy for real. I can't even lie. Why? Because we have all the support down here from 7:30 pre-market. Hitting some pretty significant levels. And then what do we target? We target the 8:30 high. If we get into a buy situation. But, you know, you got to have what? Volume and what? Type it on the line. Follow through. Continuation. You probably said follow through. Risky business clicking buy right here. A 1 minute candle close above VWAP, we may consider it. New York VWAP. It's gonna be tight though. It's gonna be tight. I would say bottom of the no trade zone, 30 points. I mean, so worth it. Is it worth it? In the poetic words of Missy Elliott, is it worth it? Just saying. We shall see. We shall see what happens. It could get ugly. It could get real choppy here in a second. It could get real choppy. You ain't gonna catch me in no chop. You ain't gonna catch me in no chop, bro. I anticipate we take out this 730 low and then we see a reaction potentially to the upside. Why would liquidity just sit there, you know? So I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna wait. 8:45. Let's go. If we get a breakout to the downside, I want to see it retrace. I want to see it retest. I call it the purple range. First 15 minute. You call it the orb, right? I call it purple range. I named it first. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I don't know who named it. It got popular. It was pre-COVID, man. It's so old. Purple range. Boom! There it is. Breaking below purple range. 10 seconds to go. Sweeping 730 liquidity as we descend to the bottom of the 4-hour channel. Look at that. All right, there is a 15-minute breakout. I want to see it retrace up first. And it doesn't have to. If you click sell, stop loss pretty significant. TP1 is 50 points. Stop loss is, I would say 830 high, 150 points. Ooh. And if it melts, I gotta watch it. Just gotta watch it. I'm gonna sit this one out. I'm gonna sit this one out. I ain't mad. Don't let FOMO creep in. Beautiful sell situation here, which tells me that 9 o'clock may be the catalyst. 9 o'clock, we may see this thing have a pretty decent reaction. While price is making its way down to land somewhere, I'm pulling up the 4-hour chart. Let's watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. We just invalidated Wednesday's 4-hour flat bottoms, but now we're at Tuesday's 4-hour flat bottoms. And I'm going to put the beautiful 786. And look where we are right now currently. Boom, 786 is hit. I want to see if we can tap TP1 on this fib fan. If we continue, I'm going to see what happens at 886. Look at beautiful reaction off of 786. Oh, beautiful reaction off of 786. Come on. Almost like magic. It ain't magic. It's mathematics. It's not magic. It's mathematics. We touched the sell buy side of the bands. Oh boy, 10 seconds to go. Bottom of the 4-hour channel gets tapped, and then we see volume. This is a 40-point candle right here, guys. 3, 2, 1. I'm in a buy officially. Officially in a buy. Stop loss is the low. Taking this. Let's see. Let's see where we take it. I don't know. New York VWAP. I'll protect it. New York VWAP. Full TP will be 830 high. Let's go. Let's go. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. New York VWAP getting edged. I will protect right here because I ain't playing with NAS today. I'm not playing with NAS. I'm going to protect right there. I'm going to take partials right there. Boom. Let the buy run. Shh. One more time. Come on, one more time. There's New York VWAP. Let's go. Zoom, are you with me? I don't see you. I don't hear you, but it's having a good day today. 5-4. Let's see if this candle closes above New York VWAP. Now, very peculiar. You can see a red candle just overtake these right here. Why? Midpoint of purple range. Midpoint of purple range. That's what I said. Naz, I ain't gonna let you do me like that today. I know how you act sometimes. Full TP is 830 high on the buy. Let me mark it up. Let me mark this up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Friday, man. Friday's turned out to be all right. We're getting some pretty decent volume candles in the market. I told you, man. Look. That buy is 68 points already. We're going to target the high 140 points. We'll just wait and see. Wait and see what happens. We can come to the top of this 4-hour channel and fall. Now we see a 5-minute candle break inside this no trade zone. Ooh. What's going to happen? Uh-huh. What's going to happen? Well, it fails. Dang. All right. We could see a reaction here. 5-minute candle closes above New York VWAP. So we can see this thing rush up. Rush up. That's 3 candles in a row. Bullish moment. Congratulations if you took that buy. I tried to call it as soon as I tried it. Give you enough reason, right? Buy side of the bands. Found support at 786. Rejected the 4-hour channel going up. We can just get stuck in this channel. Look at this. Look at this beautiful reaction off of the bottom of the no trade zone. Oh boy. 5-minute candle. Like I said, this 5-minute candle could just get overtaken by a red candle. Right? 845 could be overtaken by 850. It's almost like you're calling the plays to chess. The 850 candle overtook the 840 candle, 5-minute candle. The 831 candle, 831, you could just say the 830 bishop took the 840 queen. That's all it is chess, man. It's probabilities. That's all it is. It's not magic, it's mathematics. Probabilities. Probabilities is mathematics. Look at this 5-minute candle overtaking this green body. Wow. We don't predict the market. We just anticipate. There's no way you can predict. Nobody knows what's going to happen. They just know what they're going to risk. That's it. Risk small. Risk little. Risk little. I appreciate y'all hanging out on Zoom. If y'all hanging out this long, man, go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the like button and follow. Follow your boy. Follow your trading guy. I'm just gonna be your friendly neighborhood trading friend. Friendly neighborhood trading friend. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be. Friendly neighborhood trading buddy. How about that? Friendly neighborhood trading buddy. That's it. Just gonna trade. 8:52 on the clock. I wonder if we're gonna be able to see full TP on this thing. Top of the purple range, man. Breaking them back above New York VWAP. Let's see if we can hold. Buyers looked like they entered aggressively off that 786. I would anticipate on maybe another touch, double bottoms, maybe. Continuation up. Very peculiar. It's all good. 2 sells, 2 entries, 1 scale in on the sell. So 3 entries officially. Hold the buy. Looking good on the charts, man. Looking good. What a good week. What a great week. Right? Shh. We'll see if buyers want to take this a little higher. Looks like they might be getting a little rejected right here, which tells me we could see a little chop situation going on inside the purple range. We'll see. Nobody knows. I'm telling you, man, nobody knows what's going to happen in the market. Anybody who tells you they know what's going to happen, they lying. They just lying out their teeth. Don't let them lie to you like that. Bullish. Here comes full TP. Uh-oh. I almost feel like I need to let it run, but we'll be content. We'll be content with full TP. How about that? Oh, edged. Don't give up on us now, little Nas. 5-minute candle looks like it wants to close inside this no trade zone. Let's see what happens. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, it does want to continue up. Let's see if we get a little pullback. I would want to see a wick to the bottom and continuation up. Let's see. Yeah, here comes a little red candle. Let's see if we can get a bounce off of this deviation band going up. Higher. Bulls look like they want to take it higher. I'm almost tempted to move my full TP to VWAP, to session VWAP. I'm going to be content, though. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to chill. I will move my stop loss and profit a little bit more. I'm going to move it to 852 low. 852 low. About to get, well, TP may get hit first. Hold on. 852 low. Let's go. All right. We're going to profit a little bit more. Do you want to take us higher? Come on, little Nas. Don't give up on us now. We got some liquidity to sweep. Here it comes. Oh, edged. Good Lord. That's awesome. Edged. Bruh. Then we retrace a little. I don't know. This saxophone sounds like that one saxophone from Friday. Shout out to Craig. Or not Friday. Boys in the Hood. Oh, sad. It's a sad movie. Targeting session VWAP. Partials taking stop loss and profit. My man. Come on. Oh, look at that, man. Bro, we was edged. He was edged on that candle. 856 candle said, psych. 856 candles tripping. Break it out of this green 4-hour range here and break it out of this 4-hour parallel channel, man. Hey. That's what I was anticipating, getting chopped up in this purple range. Look at that. Purple range said, stay here. Like a little bad kid. Sit down. But I want to go out there and play. No, sit down like a little mean mom. Sit down. Sit your right. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Nas said, but I want to go outside and play. Purple Rain says, sit yourself down. All right. Sellers step right in, man. Look at that. And reclaim VWAP. And then we might get knocked out in profit here. It's kind of what we was anticipating, man. That 5-minute candle, though, closing inside the no trade zone really was making me think something. We was edged on that one, bro. Golly. All right, I'm out. Stop loss hit in profit. Well, that's what we do. Traders are gonna trade. We let it run. We almost get to a full TP. Man, I don't know. I don't know the last time I got a full TP. Saraya! How do you do that? How do you always get full TP? Look at this 5-minute candle just melt. Now, if this thing doesn't break below the session low, maybe another opportunity to take it up. But remember, we could also come down here and retest the 786. We hit 786 again. I may have to click buy again. If you're maybe entertaining a sales situation at this moment, I don't know. You can. It'll be a 15-minute breakout for me if I entertain anything like that. But yeah, I don't know, man. This is 140, almost 140 point spike up, 140 point spike down. So it's like moving aggressive this morning. Moving real. I know, man. I can't get full TP. Lord. Here we go. Lord, you think it'll be all right if I get a full TP? If I get a full TP one of these days? Lord said, yeah. Quit trying to hit home runs. You can get a full TP off of 10 points easy. Ain't that right, Zoom? Ain't that right? Ain't that right, YouTube? YouTube, I appreciate y'all hanging out with us. 9 o'clock could be the catalyst, is what we said. 9 o'clock could be the catalyst to take us lower, break out to the downside, potentially tapping this 886 level here. 28,900. YouTube, we're going to say bye to you. I'm going to continue with the Zoom. Till next time, we'll see y'all later. Peace out, YouTube.